Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a code block in Confluence. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select on the space that you want to navigate. Now, from its contents, select on the page where you want to add a code block. For here, go and type in a slash and type in code. Then, choose on code snippet. For another option, you can go on the upper ribbon and click on this plus sign button to add an element. Now from here, search also for code and choose on code snippet. And there you have it. You now have a code block. To enable syntax highlighting, click on this language drop-down. This step is crucial. It tells Confluence how to properly format and color your code, making it much easier to read and understand. You can choose from a wide range of languages like Python, JavaScript, SQL, HTML, and many more. Always select the one that matches your code to ensure maximum clarity. And that's just basically it. You can now go ahead and type in your code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.